We're going to see Sissy. Yes. We're gonna see Sissy. Are you excited? Excited? To see Sissy? Mwah. We're gonna see Sissy. See? Yes. Let's go. First time? First time traveling with us. Yes. We're gonna see Sissy today. We're having a play date. We're having a play date, right? You're excited? Are you excited? Yeah? Mwah. Love you. Yes. Yung yeah, Sissy. We're gonna see Sissy today. Yeah? You remember her? Sissy? Yes. Yeah? Okay, kiss. Kiss Dada. Come on, kiss Dada. Kiss. Kiss. Ayaw. Why? You're angry? Sorry about a while ago. Yeah. Oh. You're mad. Sorry. Yeah, I know. Did I hurt you? Did I? Sorry na. Okay. See you later, Sissy.